have a long life on earth. And who wants to die early? We want to live a long life, right? We want to get married. We want to have kids and grandkids. And we want to have success. Right? Jonah? Yeah. So we want to have a long life. So when we honor each other and our parents, then we will have that.
What did he say? What's the fifth commandment? But listen.
Yes.
Oh, well done. Just remember, Linda is not here today. Next week she's going to be here and she's going to ask you guys, oh, where did you live? And then you guys must be able to answer. Okay. Okay. So we're going to listen today. Okay, I want to show you guys. I need two kids to come and hold this for me. Who wants to hold? Are you? Are you? Okay, so here we've got the 10 commandments. Be busy with that. So we've done these 5. And then we're going to carry on with those ones in the following weeks. But I want to tell you something about the 5th commandment. Hi. Turn around. Come look at the 10 gebooie, 10 commandments here. There's something that I want to show you guys. This commandment, the 5th commandment, connects these 4 with those 5. Remember, these 4 are all about God. We love God with all our hearts, strength, and mind. Okay, so that's the first 4. And then those ones is about loving our neighbors like ourselves. So that's why God placed that commandment there. Because if we honor God and we honor people, we will be able to keep those commandments. If you honor someone, you're not going to go kill them. If you honor someone, you're not going to go steal from them. If you honor someone, you're not going to commit adultery. Okay, that's why the 5th commandment is so important. If we can keep that commandment, then the rest of those ones will be easy.